することを選択しました。ストックホルムの時。
Hey guys, we're back from a 3-year coronavirus break and we're now heading to Tokyo. So, yeah, see you there.
Kawaguchiko. The best views of the iconic Mount Fuji can be enjoyed from the eastern end of Lake Kawaguchiko's northern shore. It is the most easily accessible of the Fuji 5 lakes, with train and bus connections. One of the nicest spots for enjoying the sunrise view of Mount Fuji is Seaside Promenade and beach near Konohana Museum. You can combine a visit to this beach for Mount Fuji viewing with a visit to the nearby Konohana Museum. The Konohana Museum is an art museum featuring Diane the cat and based on a mysterious world created by Akiko Ikara.
Alright guys, you're in the museum and the artwork here is wonderful. I absolutely love the coloring. As you can see in the backdrop, there are a lot of artwork of Diane the cat.
For lunch, we had an amazing hoto noodle and eel tempura at Kanjyukuya. The hoto is a popular regional dish from the Yamanashi prefecture in Japan. It is a flat noodle soup with vegetables and meat in miso-based dashi broth. The conker eel tempura rice set was equally amazing. We also visited a traditional Japanese village named Saito Iyashi-no-Sato Nenba. The farming village sits on the western shore of Lake Saiko. It is an open-air museum where people can learn about traditional culture and local handcrafts. Gundam Factory Yokohama. The next one is the perfect example of a dream becoming a reality and that reality creating new dreams. For those of you who are fans of the popular media franchise Mobile Suit Gundam, you probably know about this place already. If you haven't become a fan yet, this exhibition of a life-size 18-meter tall pilot-operating mecha known as Gundam is bound to impress you with its amazing feat of engineering and massive scale. We highly recommend you also book a tour to the Gundam Dock Tower for a closer viewing of the giant mecha from above. In the Gundam Factory, you will also find a series of interactive exhibits showing masterful engineering and robotics. This is a place you do not want to miss, even if you are not a Gundam fan.
What is up guys? Today we're going to go up the Shibuya Scramble Square to
Check out the Shibuya Sky
So let's
go! Shibuya Sky. What visit to Tokyo is complete without a 360 rooftop view of Tokyo's dazzling night cityscape? Catch the best views of Tokyo at the open-air observation deck at the rooftop of Shibuya Scramble Square. Hi everyone, so it's been 8 hours since we got our tickets owing to the fact that the tickets are almost sold out when we got to the ticket counter. We booked the last session, which is 9 to 9:20. So bear in mind that you should book early when you want to come early. But that said, it's good. We get the night view. So this is the top part of Shibuya Scramble. This is called Shibuya Sky. Basically, we will be at the lookout point to check out the whole entire Tokyo from here. So let's go out together, shall we? Shibuya Sky is situated 230 meters above ground, making it the highest point in the district of Shibuya. Definitely don't miss the highly Instagrammable Sky Edge, which is a corner that provides a panoramic view of the city. The rooftop also features hammocks, which Karson loved, and a light show called Crosslight, as 18 beams illuminate the city sky. Shibuya Sky also has an indoor section with interesting digital art displays that help you to see the city in a different way. There is a cafe and bar where you can sit back with a drink as you enjoy the aerial views of Tokyo. This is one of the newer and trendier attractions in Tokyo that has become very popular. So don't forget to make your reservations ahead of time to avoid disappointment. No trip to Tokyo feels complete without a visit to Harajuku. Harajuku is a retail fashion and dining destination in its own right, and is known internationally as a center of Japanese youth culture and fashion. It can be conveniently reached by public transport like the Yamanote line of the East Japan Railway, as well as 2 Tokyo Metro lines. There are many independent boutiques and cafes in the area. We're at Harajuku Station, and this is the busiest district in Tokyo probably. There's a ton of shopping and a lot of good food, so we're ready to go. Are you good? Let's go. We spent a great deal of time shopping and having street food at Takeshita Street and Harajuku. We also took Karson to the Peanuts Café and Mipig Café, which is definitely the highlight of Karson's trip, being the animal lover that he is. Remember to book early to avoid disappointment though, as it does get busy.
Alright guys, we're gonna go in the shop named Mipig. We're gonna see a lot of pig babies there, or piglets. So let's go in. They're so cute. I love this pig. It's so cute. It's really, really cute.
Before we left, Karson also tried out a giant cotton candy at Totti Candy Factory, which took 3 of us to finish in the end.
One last thing, make sure to hit the subscribe button right here and click the notification bell for when new videos are uploaded. See you in the next one.